wind tunnel with my immediate death. Okay, there's that. Let me just put the next one back in. These look a little different. I don't know if this is good or not. They look a little different. Their connector points look the same though, so I think it'll be fine. H11, this is an H11C. H11, Germany, USA. So did I buy German parts? I bought German parts. Okay. Ability to move my hands. Okay. And then this goes back into this. Come on, move yourself. There it is. And we turn it counterclockwise. That's how you remove the headlight. There we go. Okay, moment of truth. Yeah, looks on. Sick. All right, blue one's the old one. Red one is the new one. So when I need to understand why there's a red one in the packaging, this one's good, this one's bad. That was almost a disaster.